Have you ever wondered why so many people have misconceptions about treasury bonds? Is it because they're complex or just misunderstood? Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries surrounding treasury bonds. And by the end of this discussion, these financial instruments will no longer seem like alien technology to you. First, let's address the question: what exactly are treasury bonds? Simply put, they are long-term investments issued by the US Department of the Treasury. They are a means for the government to raise money to fund its operations. When you buy a treasury bond, you are essentially lending money to the government. In return, the government promises to pay you back with interest after a fixed period, typically 10 to 30 years. But why would anyone want to lend money to the government? Well, the answer lies in the fact that treasury bonds are considered some of the safest investments around. They come with the full backing of the US government, which means, barring an absolute catastrophe, you are guaranteed to get your money back with interest. Now that we've established what treasury bonds are, let's look at how they work. When you buy a treasury bond, you pay a fixed price for it. This price is typically less than the face value of the bond. Then, every 6 months, the bond pays you a fixed amount of interest, known as the coupon. Finally, when the bond matures, the government pays you the face value of the bond. There are, however, some common misconceptions about treasury bonds that need to be addressed. The first is that they are only for the wealthy. This is not true. Anyone can buy treasury bonds, and they can be a great way to save for the future. The second misconception is that they are boring and don't offer good returns. While it's true that treasury bonds are not the most exciting investment, they can offer steady, reliable returns over the long term. To summarize, treasury bonds are long-term investments issued by the US government. They offer a safe and reliable way to invest your money, with the promise of regular interest payments and the return of the face value of the bond at maturity. They are not just for the wealthy, and while they may not be the most exciting investment, they can provide steady returns over the long haul. So next time you hear someone say that treasury bonds are too complicated or not worth the investment, you'll have the knowledge to set the record straight. Remember, understanding the intricacies of financial instruments like treasury bonds is the first step towards making informed investment decisions.